Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your PC meets MSFS minimums and creating backups of community and official folders so you can revert changes. Once done, update GPU drivers and Windows, then restart to clear locked files. Next, launch without mods by renaming the community folder. This isolates third-party add-ons. You do this because add-ons are the most common crash cause, and a clean launch proves whether the base sim or extras are failing. Once you've isolated mods, perform diagnostics. Run MSFS as administrator and watch event viewer for faulting modules and codes. If crashes persist, disable live traffic, live weather, and non-essential audio devices to reduce API conflicts. This narrows the culprit. Then verify files through your launcher. Repairing or re-downloading corrupted content fixes many crashes. Make sure to test after each change so you know. To finish, stabilize settings. Reduce render scale, limit FPS, disable rolling cache, and avoid ultra textures that spike RAM. Once stable, reintroduce mods one by one, testing for 10 to 15 minutes after each edition so you spot the offender. If crashes continue, gather crash logs, dxdiag, and precise reproduction steps, then submit them to support or community hubs. One key troubleshooting tip: try running the sim on a different Windows account to rule out profile corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.